Let's divide 352 by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 352 by 2. We look at the first digit of 352, which is 3. We're going to use just this digit for now. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits in 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract 2 from 3. What do we get? 1. Awesome job, we found the first digit of our answer. Time to bring down the next digit 5 to join the remainder 1. Look at that, we have a 1 and a 5 making the number 15. How exciting. We bring down the next digit 5 to make our new number 15. Now what's 15 divided by 2? Think of your 2 times tables, it's 7. Let's see, 7 times 2 equals 14, so close. We subtract 14 from 15, that leaves us with 1. You're doing fantastic, just a little more to go. Let's bring down the last digit 2 to make our new number 12. We have 12, this is our last number to divide, we can do this. We bring down the last digit 2 to make 12. How many times does 2 go into 12? It's exactly 6 times. Let's check. 6 times 2 is 12, perfect. Subtract 12 from 12 and we get 0, no remainder this time. Hooray, we've reached the end of our division, you crushed it. We've divided 352 by 2, the answer is 176. So 352 divided by 2 is 176. Great job, everyone, we just tackled a long division problem step by step. Remember, even big numbers can be divided with a little patience and practice. You've got this. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.